Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a notebook in Canva for Amazon KDP, and it's a low or no content book. So the interior of it are the same pages on every single page. So we're going to do a journal lined notebook today. Let's see now on Amazon, for example, Koala notebook, and let's see what size it is and what's inside of it is. So let's choose, for example, this one. And you cannot see the inside of this book, but basically it's just a simple lined notebook, and the size of it is 6 by 9 inches. Let's look at the other one. It also doesn't have a look inside feature anymore. So basically the dimensions are these, and that's what we're gonna create. Now for the size of it, you're just gonna go on Canva, and you're gonna click create design, custom size, and you're gonna write down 6 by 9, and you click create design. So this is the interior of your notebook. So the first page should be something like this notebook belongs to, and let's change the font. Let's add a line. Here it is, and now you just want to add some koalas right here on the interior. So for example, we can search on Canva, but for Amazon KDP you cannot use any of those images because they are like a free and available online everywhere, unless you would edit them very much so. But what I suggest to do is just go to Create Fabrica, write down koala, go here on special license and click on print on demand. After that, you're just gonna find the koala you like. For the interior, we of course need a black and white one, but we can also edit it. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one and download it. As you can see, it's full POD usage allowed, and now I'm just gonna upload it here. After I have uploaded it, I'm just gonna put it here, somewhere here, and that's that. Now we're just gonna create a so the second page you should leave blank, and now on the third page you should just do a lines. So we're just gonna make a longer ones, and leave the sides blank, because we need to leave for the bleed, the place for the bleed. And now you're just gonna copy and paste the line for a few times, and after that you're just gonna select all of them, copy and paste, copy and paste. And now what you want to do is to select all, click on three dots here, and you're gonna space them evenly and click on tidy up. So now every single line is spaced evenly, and you won't have to do anything else. Now you also want to add something special to your every single page. So maybe some koala would be really nice. And yeah guys, that's that. We're just gonna duplicate the page. We can actually do it like that, and duplicate the page to have around 100 pages for your book. So 100 pages of these, so it would be 102. Basically, you just create this notebook, you click on share, download, PDF print, and you download it. Of course, it should be 100 pages, as I said. And now for the cover of this book, you will need to go to KDP cover calculator. Just basically write KDP cover calculator, and you will see the first link on Google. We're just gonna choose the interior type and the size, and you just created 102. So you're just gonna calculate the dimensions, and as you can see, the full cover would be this one. So that's what we want. We're just gonna copy and paste them to Canva. Create new design, and now you have a cover. So for the cover, we also need to do this separation in the middle, so we would know where is the middle of this book. And now I'm also gonna go to create the Fabrica, and I already downloaded this. I'm just gonna use this koala for the cover, and I'm just gonna create this pattern of koalas. I'm just gonna copy this and put it to the other side. Just edit it a little bit, and that's that. Let's change the color of. And now you also need to add a title on the cover. We're just gonna write down koalas. Notebook. Let's also add some border. And that's that. You're just gonna download it as PDF print. And that's it. You're just gonna upload it to KDP, the exterior and interior. And yeah, guys, that's how you create a simple notebook line journal for Amazon KDP. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.